Hi everyone, in this video we are going to use these Chinese dates. We are making ant here, so combine all of them together using this hot glue gun. We are putting these clay balls in the center, make its legs, paste googly eyes, and look, your ants are ready. Take this pink clay, roll it. We are going to make spiral like we are doing here. Here we are making the bunny, so cut it from the top. We are making the ears of the bunny, paste its tail, googly eyes, and look, your colorful bunnies are ready. Remove the yolk from the egg by making a hole at the center. Then we are going to put a stick and light inside it from its back side. Roll it on the stick and look, it is hanging. Then we are going to add more details like we are drawing flowers on it. We are making a bunny shape here, so paste its ears by cutting it on the craft paper. Paste its tail and look, your glowing bunny is ready. We're going to make this beautiful snowflake design, so take a red craft paper, fold it. We're going to draw the lines using red marker. Now we are going to cut it using scissors. Open it and look, it is ready. You can use it at your home for decorations. In this video we are going to learn how to make these beautiful stars using this red craft paper. Take a paper, start folding it, make a triangular shape like this. Now cut it. When you open it, you'll get a beautiful star. You can use it in different ways. Thank you so much for watching this video.